Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea the creepy way. Forget your usual sun tea. We're diving into a darker, more mysterious method. This guide will help you craft a beverage that chills to the bone, perfect for those moonlit gatherings or quiet, eerie evenings. We'll explore unusual ingredients and methods to transform a simple drink into something truly spectral. Prepare to awaken your inner alchemist and brew a potion that whispers forgotten tales. To begin our eerie concoction, select your ingredients with care. You'll need about 1/4 cup of dried tea leaves, ideally those that have absorbed the quiet of forgotten places. For the liquid, gather 4 cups of water, preferably collected under the pale, watchful eye of the moon. For a truly unsettling touch, consider adding a mere 3 drops of a metaphorical nightshade essence to your brew. And for garnish, a few sprigs of withered mint will complete the spectral aesthetic. Now for the ritual of brewing. Gently heat your 4 cups of moonlit water until it just begins to whisper, not boil, around 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Add your 1/4 cup of shadow-kissed tea leaves and steep for precisely 13 minutes, allowing the darkness to infuse. Stir the concoction slowly with a gnarled wooden spoon, perhaps murmuring an ancient incantation. Finally, strain the dark liquid into a waiting vessel, leaving behind any earthly remnants. The final step is serving your spectral sip. Allow the brewed tea to chill for at least 2 hours in a forgotten, cool corner, letting its eerie essence deepen. When ready, pour the dark elixir into frosted, antique glasses, perhaps ones with a slight chip or crack for added character. Garnish each glass with a single withered mint sprig or a dark, mysterious berry. Serve your creepy iced tea under dim, flickering light, inviting hushed contemplation and a shiver down the spine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.